Alright, welcome back. You're with Saif and Rani Mukherjee right here. Someone just asked me, were you also involved with the music of the film? Is that something that you like to get involved in?
I don't think Aditya Chopra would let me into the room even. Yeah. But I believe my daughter bounced 4 tracks by saying they were not very good, so which I listened to her. But no, I love music and you know, and I love all sorts of music.
In the film Tara Rampam, you portray a family which is a well-knit family. So what is the secret of it, that is as a character?
A good
what do you
script.
think is the... yeah, but as a character, as a Rajveer, what do you think, what are the things that makes you very supportive?
True love.
Yeah.
That's what I believe.
Sure.
Rajveer and Radhika.
That would help, yeah.
And Radhika, they like truly in love with one another. That's why they get married. And they have 2 beautiful children. And I think what binds them together is the love that they have for one another, so that they can, you know, overcome all the hardships together.
And values and a choice that, you know, this is not something to be taken lightly. And the tougher it gets, I mean, if it gets very tough, there's no reason to break apart.
देती हूँ कभी नहीं जो कहा है तुम्हें मेरे हर पल में तुम मुझे तुम कल में हे सोना हे सोना हे सोना हे सोना.
Family is about people living under one roof who are happy, who are loving each other and are going through each thing. It's not as if you have to be sweet to one another every day.
Right.
Yes, you do have fights with people who you love.
Which is reality.
Yeah, which is like reality. But that doesn't mean that, you know, you have to be together just for the sake of others.
Right.
You have to be together for your own sake.
What were the highlights of this film for you? What were the bits that you enjoyed tremendously?
I think the highlights of the film, definitely the car racing. I think that is something that is really unique and new for our cinema. I had never been to a race car track before, and really the sound of the car engine and the way the cars go around, I think it's really, really exciting. And of course the kids. I really had a fantastic time with the kids, because normally when you shoot with kids, you know, it's like difficult shooting with kids because
directing them, I guess.
But the kids that we worked with, they were absolutely marvelous and they were wonderful. I think both me and Saif had a wonderful time working with them.
तो अगर चाहे तो धूप में बारिश हो फूल खिल जाए जो तेरी फरमाइश हो आज नच ले वे 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 तू भी नच ले वे तू भी नच ले वे तू चाहे तो हवाएं तेरे ही गीत गाए तू चाहे तो सितारे तेरे रास्ते सजाए जितने भी आसमां है तेरे आगे सर झुकाए.
Incredibly professional, 2, 3 in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, just happy faces, smiling. You were great with them as well. Rani kept them happy and entertained and quite mothered them on the set, which was nice to see.
Trying to.
Any close shaves on the set, like during the filming, any near misses?
Car accidents that were shot in the film. I think while that shooting was going on, I think it was a little tense because obviously there was a driver inside and he was involved in the car crash.
Yeah.
But I think that was the only moment where I think probably we were little tensed.
Right.
But I guess they are used to this kind, so a lot of safety is there for the drivers. So
And the music of
that's
the
only-
film, of course, is also something which we've heard really playing on the airwaves now. It's something you think that's going to be one factor that's going to draw in the audiences as well?
I personally love the music, and I think, yeah, it is going to draw the audience. And I think when you see the film, I think you'll enjoy the songs even more because they blend in beautifully with the film.
तुम ही मेरे हर पल में, तुम मुझे में, तुम कल में, हे सोना, हे सोना, हे सोना, हे सोना.
Like, I think everybody in the audience will like agree with me. I think we start our day with music. You know, if there is a kind of puja happening in the house, and the day starts with a bhajan, and then you start your radio. Somebody is coming in with a guitar. So if you're going to play the guitar.
I think the message is that they want you to strum something from the film, perhaps?
I'll just play you some.
The sets as well?
Sometimes there's a guitar around, but
Can
I
you
should- I
just
should
imagine
play
having
more.
Saif playing the guitar? It's so good for everybody.
Yes, we'll get any work done. Unlikely. Well, I'm afraid we're completely out of time and we have to wrap it at that. Saif, Rani, thanks both so much for joining us, and thanks to the audience as well.
thank you.
Da da da